Welcome back to Autoscope. Kenworth Motorhome 2026. An iconic and rugged exterior, the front fascia of this RV will resemble those of Kenworth's flagship truck models, like the T68 or W90L. With its massive chrome grille and noticeable hood, the long front end will make a striking and commanding impression. The body will be made of strong, long-lasting materials, most likely a mix of fiberglass, steel, and aluminum. The chassis will be incredibly robust, built to support both long-distance travel and big loads. From the grille and bumpers to the fuel tank and even the tire rims, chrome accents will be prominent. Maximum visibility will be ensured by bright LED headlights. Luxurious and roomy inside. The inside will be quite roomy, featuring high ceilings and a layout that makes the most of available space. There will be a fold-down dining table, an electric fireplace, and a luxurious leather sofa that can be made into a bed in the living area. The kitchen will be fully equipped with stainless steel appliances, such as a dishwasher, huge refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, and induction cooktop. Granite or quartz will be used for the countertops. At the back of the motorhome will be the master bedroom. It will feature a flat-screen TV, a spacious walk-in wardrobe, and a king-size bed. High-performance diesel engines, like the Cummins X15 or Picarum X13, which are also found in Kenworth trucks, would power this motorhome. These engines will deliver great fuel efficiency and a lot of torque. Driving will be easier and smoother with an advanced automatic transmission, such the Fuller Endurant HD. Because Kenworth engines and chassis are renowned for their outstanding longevity, this RV will have no trouble traveling long distances. A cutting-edge entertainment system with flat-screen TVs in each room will be installed in the camper. A central touchscreen display will control every RV feature, including the water system, lighting, temperature, and tank level, has an alarm system, parking sensors, and surveillance cameras for security.